This song is dedicated to my brother-in-law, Todd. Cold monkey, get up, get coffee. Cold monkey, go to job. Cold monkey, have boring meeting with boring manager Rob. Rob say cold monkey very diligent, but his output stink. His code not functional or elegant. What do code monkey think? Code monkey think maybe manager wanna write goddamn login page himself. Code monkey not saying out loud. Code monkey not crazy, just proud. Code monkey like Fritos. Code monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code monkey, very simple man. Big, warm, fuzzy, secret heart. Code monkey like you. Code monkey hang around at front desk till you swear to look nice. Code monkey offer buy you soda. Get you cup, get you ice. You say no thank you for the soda, cause soda make you fat. Anyway, you busy with the telephone, no time to chat. Code monkey had a long walk back to cubicle. He sit down, pretend to work. Code monkey not thinking so straight. Code monkey not feeling so great. Code monkey like Fritos. Code monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code monkey, very simple man. Big, warm, fuzzy, secret heart. Code monkey like you. Code monkey like you a lot. Code monkey have every reason to get out this place. Code monkey, just keep on working. See your soft, pretty face. Much rather wake up, eat a coffee cake, take bath, take nap. This job fulfilling in creative way, such a load of crap. Code monkey thinks someday he have everything, even a pretty girl like you. Code monkey just waiting for now. Code monkey say someday, somehow. Code monkey like Fritos. Code monkey like Tab and Mountain Dew. Code monkey, very simple man. Big, warm, fuzzy, secret heart. Code monkey like you. Thank you, Jonathon Coulton, my favorite indie artist.